fine. Okay.
Oh, look at her mouth. Oh, look at her feet.
Oh,
Oh, no.
All right. We have friends that came over from
British Columbia
Canada.
and Canada.
In Canada.
Yep.
Yep.
All the way from Canada.
We're getting a meal ready for them. And who is it?
It's Living Light RV, Kent and Lisa.
Yep, Kent and Lisa.
Yeah, we were so happy to see them. It's been a while.
It's been a few years, right?
Oh, yeah.
At least?
Yeah.
2 or 3?
Yeah. There they are, just relaxing.
Uh-huh. We got done just in time with everything that we were doing on the property with Greg and Shelly.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, and finally we're able to relax and have a good meal.
Yep. And then after that, we went to...
This is the next day.
Yep. It's an exotic ranch.
Uh-huh.
We have exotic animals. Where Greg worked, he took us over there and gave us a tour of the place.
Yep. He was showing Ken and Lisa everything that was there. It's pretty cool because they got all kinds of animals out there.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.
The stuff they have there.
Uh-huh. We had a good time. Shelly wasn't with us because she had to work.
That four-letter nasty
Yeah, poor Shelly.
work.
Uh-huh. But we enjoyed a good day. It wasn't too hot. It wasn't too cold. It was perfect weather. Yep, we got a good selfie taken by Kent.
Oh, yeah. More from Greg.
Uh-huh. And then we made a meal, had it inside. And this is the last day before they had to head out.
Yep.
Back to Canada.
They're heading back up.
Yep. It was a short visit, but it was definitely one that made a lot of memories.
Oh, we certainly enjoyed it.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Yeah.
To come back again.
Yeah.
Now the dogs are saying, "Are you sure you gotta go?"
I know. They were having a blast. They were
Yeah.
just running around playing with each other. Yeah, look at them go.
It's great to see animals get along. and
Uh-huh.
play.
They almost tripped us there. Look, we're all wrapped up. Yep, so they're all getting ready, saying their goodbyes. We're going to take pictures together. There we are.
Yep.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful family. We truly love them so much.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Again, it was great to see them.
Uh-huh. And then we took a group picture.
There we all are.
Yep, and now they're getting ready to hook up Ruby, which is Ruby, the car.
The car, yep.
Yeah.
We're going to hook it up and take off, head back to Canada.
Yep. So you can't just getting it all situated. It takes a little bit, but thankfully we got plenty of room up front for him to turn that sucker around.
Hell yeah.
How big is this RV?
I don't know. It looks like a
Maybe 30?
32 footer or something like that.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yep. They had it painted because they actually painted it to match the car.
Yeah.
Which it turned out pretty cool.
Yeah.
There they go. They're getting all ready. It's always sad when friends have to part ways, but we always say it's not goodbye. We'll see you soon.
Absolutely.
Yep,
That's
so-
the way it always works out.
Uh-huh. So they'll be heading back this way again. We know for sure.
Oh, yeah. They're just dialing in their GPS.
Yeah, getting all situated.
Yeah. And then they'll be taking off and...
Takes a little bit to get back up there.
Oh, man.
Probably about 5 days or more.
I don't know.
know.
It depends on how many more stops they got.
Yeah. There they go.
I think they're going to take a left or they're going to go wash.
Oh, yeah, they're heading to the RV car wash.
Yep. And then fill it with fuel.
Mm-hmm.
And then head out.
Yep.
Again, great to see them.
Yeah. All right, now we're back to Greg and Shelly's RV. You guys are doing some maintenance on it, huh?
Yeah, up on the roof, we're doing some maintenance on their ACs. That problem with the front AC, the run capacitor went out, so we had to go get one of those and install it.
Uh-huh.
While we're up there, we went ahead and cleaned the coils, oiled the motors, make sure everything was nice and clean,
And,
functional for the Texas heat.
and now, what's happening here?
They're taking off.
Yeah, we had Greg and Shelly with us about 6 months.
Yeah.
And now they're heading out, and it's going to be really weird because,
Yeah.
you know, we were so used to having them here, and we absolutely loved that they were here helping us with everything. We
Oh,
truly
man.
appreciate them so much.
Greatly missed.
Yeah, and they're heading to San Antonio.
Yep.
Yep, they're going to be over there working in San Antonio for a little bit, and
Yeah.
we're going to go that way and visit them.
Oh, yeah. And then
Back to home
back
projects.
to home projects.
Yeah, you decided to install some cameras.
Yep.
Yep, solar ones, right?
Yep. Set up some solar cameras,
Uh-huh.
Wi-Fi, so we can look at the backyard, see the view.
We get a lot of animals back here.
Oh, a lot of animals.
Yeah. And now it's weird because there's no RV.
It takes a while to get used to
Yeah,
that.
it does. And back to some
Yucky work.
yucky work.
Taking it down to the yucca.
Chores. Yeah, we took down the yucca tree.
Oh,
Yeah.
part of it. Boy, you got to be careful with those things.
Yeah, those things are sharp.
Man.
Very sharp.
Like needles.
We're just going to load it up in the truck and take it to the local landfill, which
Yeah.
isn't too far from us.
The local.
The local crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did pretty good cutting it with that.
Yeah,
You got it all the way down.
That's the best thing to use, so you're not too close to that.
Yeah, you didn't want to use your
When the chain don't
chainsaw.
come off.
Right. That's all good.
Yeah.
And now it's down to the stump.
Here we go. Load that sucker all up in
Yeah.
the truck, take it to the landfill. Dump it and get rid of it.
Yep.
Open the tailgate and floor it. See if it all comes out.
Oh, yeah. We're taking a break,
After that, we came back, kicked back and relaxed.
and somebody fell asleep.
I was so tired. My tire was tired. My tire was tired of being tired.
Well, we appreciate you guys watching. We have more to come. There's plenty to do on the property, and we will see you next time.
Yep, look forward to seeing you.
Bye.